What is the 13th Amendment? Have you ever wondered how a single amendment could reshape a nation? The 13th Amendment to the United States Constitution is one such amendment that did just that. Ratified in 1865, it formally abolished slavery and involuntary servitude in the United States. This amendment marked a significant legal change, ending a practice that had been deeply rooted in American society for over a century. The text of the 13th Amendment states that neither slavery nor involuntary servitude, except as a punishment for crime whereof the party shall have been duly convicted, shall exist within the United States. This means that while it abolished chattel slavery, it allowed for forced labor as a punishment for crimes. This exception has sparked ongoing discussions about its implications, particularly regarding the penal system. From a sociological viewpoint, the 13th Amendment represents a major shift in societal values. It came as a response to the intense social conflict of the Civil War, reflecting a growing recognition of human rights and equality. However, the amendment's exception clause has had lasting effects. It has been linked to the rise of mass incarceration, disproportionately affecting Black Americans and other marginalized communities. This has led to debates about whether certain forms of prison labor are simply a modern version of slavery. The 13th Amendment also serves as a model for social change through constitutional reform. It shows how legal structures can evolve to mirror changing communal values and democratic principles. When existing systems perpetuate inequality, legal changes can address these disparities. The history of the 13th Amendment highlights the challenges that arise when laws do not keep pace with social norms, sometimes resulting in unrest. Moreover, the 13th Amendment has been interpreted to give Congress the power to combat not only slavery but also racial and economic subordination. This approach aims to promote greater social inclusion and equality. It focuses on addressing the material conditions that contribute to inequality, making the amendment a foundation for ongoing efforts against racial discrimination and economic injustice. Today, the legacy of the 13th Amendment continues to influence social movements and discussions about justice and equality. It illustrates the complex relationship between law, social values, and power structures in American society. Understanding the 13th Amendment helps us appreciate the ongoing struggle for social change and the role of legal systems in shaping that change.